So hello everyone, we are going to do a role play about friends. Let's see, let's watch this.
So cute. Thank you. I love that color.
So see, they are gonna talk about dresses, okay? So I have got some dresses here for you, okay? Let's take the shirts first. So start using some props, students in the class, okay? See, when you use real props, what happens? You exactly know what I have to say, okay? तो prop use करने से सबसे अच्छी एक चीज़ ये क्या होती है कि आपको एक स्ट्रक्चर समझ में आने लगता है कि ओके इस प्रॉप के साथ या ये जब मैं इस चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ शर्ट के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे एग्जैक्टली क्या लैंग्वेज यूज़ करनी है मुझे क्या स्ट्रक्चर यूज़ करना है. Okay, so she is holding a shirt in her hand. Oh, this is so cute. So I know exactly when I'm using the prop, I can feel English. I can feel the language. Okay, so do this, students. Use props when you're doing role plays. Okay, let's see. This is so cute.
Bob, what do you think of our new clothes?
Okay, so Bob, what do you think? What do you think? Which one? Okay, so how's the structure over here? After Bob, there's a comma. Take 1 second, pause over there. Bob, what do you think of our new clothes? So this is something new. Just imagine it's new. What do you think? Which one? Which one shall I go for? So मैं कौन सा खरीदूं? मैं कौन सा पहन के जाऊं? Which one shall I purchase? Okay, which one I shall go for? Okay, which one should I go for? तो यहाँ पर हम क्या सीखेंगे? Modal verb should, shall, can, could, would ये कैसे यूज करना है? Okay, which one I should go for? कौन सा मुझे पहनना चाहिए? कौन सा मुझे खरीदना चाहिए? Okay, I want to return this. I want to exchange this. How we are going to make sentences? That's what we are going to learn.
For the party tomorrow.
For the party tomorrow. So she is having a party and she is going to select. She wants उसको अपनी फ्रेंड की हेल्प चाहिए कि वो कौन सी ड्रेस पहन के जाए.
There's a party tomorrow?
There's a party tomorrow.
It's Mr. Evans' birthday.
It's whose birthday? It's Mr. Evans' birthday. Okay, उसके बॉस का बर्थडे है. So naturally there's a party.
Remember?
Remember? All right.
Am I going? Yes, you are.
Am I good?
Okay. So, tell us what you think of our new clothes.
So tell us what do you think about our new clothes? Okay, she has got like some other dresses as well. Just hold this. Okay. So which one?
All those clothes are for one party?
So like suppose I have got ample of clothes. Means मेरे पास बहुत सारे clothes हैं closet में. Okay. Oh, all those clothes are for the party. These many clothes just for one party. Naturally, girls के पास बहुत सारे कपड़े होते हैं, right? So all those clothes are for one party.
No. We have to decide what to wear.
We have to decide. मतलब हमें decide करना है. We have to decide what to wear. Okay? I'm so sorry. So what shall I wear? A pink one or a peach one? Okay.
What do you think of these blouses?
So suppose there are two blouses. You can give me this one. Okay. What do you think? Which blouse I should wear? A blue one or a pink one? Suppose these are blouses. Okay, but these are shirts. Which one? A maroon one or a blue one? Okay. So this is how we talk about choices.
They're very flattering.
They are very flattering. सारे अच्छे हैं. All are good. They are very flattering. They are gorgeous. They are beautiful. Okay, तो हम ये सारे adjectives dresses के लिए use करते हैं. Oh, they all look really good. They are beautiful. They are all flattering. Flattering मतलब बहुत अच्छे हैं.
Which one do you like more?
Okay, so when we talk about choices, we use WH. Which question? Which one do you like more? Which one do you like more? Blue one or the pink one? Okay, which dress do you like more? Okay, a pink one or a peach one? Simple pink dress or a floral dress. It has got beautiful floral print on it. Okay, so you can say like that. Which one do you like more?
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Which one do you prefer?
This is also one way of asking which one do you prefer? Okay, a blue one or a pink one, a maroon one or a red one. Okay, so Pankaj, which one do you prefer? Vinod, which one do you prefer? Okay, Sanjay, which one do you prefer? Right, so this is how students we ask question.
I like them both.
So he likes them both the same. I like them both the same. ये हम कब बोलते हैं जब मुझे दोनों ही अच्छे लग रहे हैं, दोनों ही. I like them both. Okay, means I don't have a choice. I like them both, whichever you say. So हम इस तरीके से बोल सकते हैं whichever you want to select.
Same.
No, you don't. You're just saying that. You need to have an opinion. You have to choose.
No.
So here you need to have an opinion. ये हम कब बोलते हैं? मुझे तुम्हारा opinion ज़रूरी है. मुझे चाहिए तुम्हारा opinion. Okay? You need to have an opinion. You need to have a choice. Okay? When you go to a clothing shop, naturally you need to have a choice. Which one you want to buy? Which one you want to purchase? Which one you would like to buy? Pink one or a blue one? Okay? Baggy one or a maroon one? Okay? Which style do you like? Okay, floral print or a plain print? Okay, which color do you like? This is how we ask about different choices. No, no, no.
No. I'm not doing that.
I'm not doing that.
Bob, please help us decide what to wear.
Please help us to decide what to wear. I need your opinion. Okay, I need your suggestion. ये हम कब बोलते हैं? When I need your opinion. जब मुझे आपकी राय चाहिए. Okay, that is where we use this kind of structure. Okay.
Which skirts do you like?
Okay, suppose these are skirts. So over here they have like two skirts, a red one and a black one. So which skirt do you like?
The red one.
The red one.
Great.
Great.
That's not so hard, is it?
That's not so hard, right? Choosing one dress is not so hard. For some people, it's very hard, right? They're not able, when you go to a shop, they are not able to decide what to buy. इतने सारे options तो दिखा देता है दुकानदार आपको, right? It happens. आप confuse होते होगे. It happens with you? Yes? Okay. The next one.
Which shoes look better?
Okay, now which shoes? So you can take shoes. I don't have shoes right now, but use props. Okay, the boots or the sandals. Okay,
Those.
heels or flats. Those.
Which
These.
sweater do you prefer?
Okay, so which, suppose these are sweaters. Which sweater do you prefer? तो prefer भी हम कब use करते हैं? जब again हम choices के बारे में बात कर रहे हो. What would you prefer? Okay, the blue one or the pink one? Okay, which sweater do you prefer? The red one or the purple one? So this is how I ask about choices. I think so. I will go for the purple one. हम आंसर कैसे करेंगे? I will go for the pink one. I like light shades. No. I would rather go for a darker shade. I would rather go. Okay? हम कब बोलते हैं I would rather go? जब मुझे ये वाला पसंद है. I would go for, हम rather नहीं यूज करना, हम simply भी बोल सकते हैं I would go for the blue one, the baggy one. Okay? I like dark shades. मुझे dark shades पसंद है, तो मैं blue वाले के साथ जाऊंगी, darker shade. I would like to go with the pink one. With the pink one. I would like to go. Okay? I would like to go with the pink one. I would go for the purple one.
I like the purple one.
Or you can simply say, I like the purple one. Bob, you like Paris clothes more than mine. Okay? So it's comparison. You like her clothes more than mine. Okay?
You like Marie's clothes more than mine.
No, I don't. That's not true.
That's not true.
Then which dress do you prefer?
That
This is Marie's dress too.
Okay, now which dress would you prefer? The floral print or the pink one? Which dress would you prefer? I would go for the floral print. No, I would go for the plain one. I would go for the plain dress, plain pink dress. Okay?
What's wrong with my clothes?
one. Nothing. Nothing.
Okay, what's wrong with my clothes? Nothing.
I like your clothes. I like Marie's clothes. I like everything. I like.
See, how do you use I like? I like all the dresses. I like the shoes. I like Mary's clothes. I like Pankaj's clothes. I like Sanjay's clothes. I like Vinod's clothes. Got it? How do we use it? I like all the dresses and all the sweaters and all the skirts. All the skirts.
All dresses and all sweaters and all skirts and all shoes.
And all shoes.
Who asked you anyway?
Who asked you anyway? Okay?